Welcome to the Slop Farm. Enjoy the video.
Start by drawing a precise circle. You need a stable base so your volleyball reads as 3D. Place a center point and decide where the light comes from. I suggest a 30 degrees upper left source because highlights and shadows depend on it. Lightly add a horizon or equator line to help place panels later. Once that's set, sketch a subtle axis through the center to guide the curved seams. Making these faint keeps them erasable as you refine form. Now map the characteristic panels. Draw 3 sweeping, curved seam bands wrapping around the sphere. Keep curvature consistent by imagining concentric circles projected on the surface. This ensures seams follow the form. Use tangential ellipses where seams meet the edges. Ellipses show foreshortening and sell the 3D. Once seams align, refine intersections so panels read cleanly. Erase construction lines gradually. This prevents flattening the ball and preserves volume as you prepare for shading and highlights. Finish by establishing value. Block in the core shadow on the side opposite the light, using soft gradations to reinforce the sphere's volume. Add a small, bright specular highlight near the light-facing area and a thin rim highlight to suggest a slightly shiny synthetic surface. Darken seams just a touch to separate panels and add subtle cast shadow under the ball. If proportions look off, nudge seam curvature or adjust highlight placement. That fix often restores believable roundness.
Thanks for watching. Consider subscribing if we helped you today.